Schneider, and today we're going to be touching my 1974 Polaris Panther. Hope you guys are enjoying it, Schneider Classics. So what I have here is I went and I bought a bunch of fuel line stuff. Where'd my knife go? My knife's over here. Oh, there it is. Got my trusty knife and my Zippo, so in play here. This bad boy I got last year. I paid for this unit without a windshield, no seats, damaged rear end. I bought it for 75 bucks and it actually ran with doing nothing to it. So far what I've done to it this year, where is the old unit? The old fuel pump failed on us, so we had to say goodbye to it. I have no filter for it, which needs a bit of work. One, we got to do a little bit of wiring. Two, I got to redo a lot of the fuel lines in here because I already put in a new fuel pump for it, so we're getting that done. So, come take a look. Alright. One of these. This is dangerous, you shouldn't use, but it's cold out and I need to heat up the fuel line before I tug on it. It's also a thing that broke during transit. Is this little T-piece. I already got a replacement for it. Little T-piece. This is why, if you're watching the Schneider class, the Marcus Schneider YouTube channel, which is linked in the description below, you can see why I want to get that garage we are building done. Because cold fuel lines are not fun to deal with. Good now. Yeah, so you know, just a 1974 Arctic Cat Spirit 440. That's old as heck. Now, just before you hear this cold start, I want you to know. I hope it starts. Let's hope. Just before you hear this, I bought this thing. This apparently sat in like a field for 30 years. It just sat in his bush line. Then my buddy got it for payment for a job he did on a guy's yard. He got like 5 sleds. He owed me 75 bucks, so we squared up. He gave me the sled. Played with the carb a little bit, played with the wiring a little bit, and we started it up right there and then. And we drove it all last year like crazy. Come back to this year, I think my buddy stole my fuel filter. The fuel pump got bad and I need to replace a couple of the fuel lines. We just did that. You just saw us do all that. But now let's get her going. needs to be tuned a little bit. I'm so happy that works. So I learned this, that the little fuel pump, it's not going to work, so I'm just going to have to go without, just completely out without a primer. Kind of sucks. I could do a splitter and another splitter that I have the fuel pump because I hate the little primers, they suck. But for now it works, so. Well, I hope you guys like this short little episode of Schneider Classics. Hope to see you guys in the next episode. Hit that subscribe button. notification button. I'll leave a link down in the description below for the fuel pump.